Hello, this is Pamela. Welcome to my channel. Grab you a cup of coffee, sit back and relax, and enjoy some good old yarny talk.
Hello, this is Pamela, and you're on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. Today is Wednesday. That means it's WIP Caddy Wednesday. I love Wednesdays. Mondays and Wednesdays are my two favorite videos that I get to put out, and I hope you guys enjoy them as well. One of the reasons that I like Wednesdays is because you guys can post in my Facebook group page, or you can email me a picture of your card and all the wonderful projects that you have going on, and I love to share them in my WIP Caddy Wednesday video. So you can help inspire all of us with the beautiful projects that you're working, and I really like when you say where you got the pattern from. That really helps. So let's go ahead and take a look at the WIP cards that were sent in for this week's video.
Okay, so here we have Geraldine's cart, and she says that on the top shelf she has a baby Afghan that is green and yellow and a scarf that she's making for the convalescent hospital that her church sponsors. And on the second shelf is another shawl, and the pattern is by Creative Grandma. And the third shelf is another shawl that is in teal color, and it is by Bag O'Day, and then she has a lapghan for the convalescent. And the bottom, she says, is yarn waiting to start more shawls. And she says, thank you, Pamela, for posting her WIP Caddy. And you are very welcome, Geraldine. Now here we have Angela's cart. Angela says that the top is a crochet sweater in the works for her. Good for you, Angela. And a cat that is missing some back legs. And the middle is catnap toys, and the bottom is cross stitch and some miscellaneous patterns. Now here we have Patsy's cart. Now Patsy says that she's working on some dog clothes, and the Annie's Kit lapghan is on the bottom shelf. And I do recognize that, Patsy, because I am going to be starting mine next week as well. And I see that you have the 365 Days of Life on your second shelf. Pretty cool, Patsy. Now here we have my sister Tanya's cart. Now Tanya, as you can tell, is always organized. Nothing like me. I did not get that from her. But she is just... I admire that. Anyway, so Tanya's card, she says that she has two projects going on. The second shelf is for our nephew. She's making a beautiful corner-to-corner Afghan, and she's almost done, which she said that she learned from me, from my crochet tutorial. And the bottom shelf is an ugly scrap throw that she's making from my tutorial also. And she says, thank you, Pamela, for all your amazing tutorials. And you are so welcome, sis. I love you.
Okay, isn't that a lot of fun? I just love that. And I just appreciate you guys sending those photos in to Facebook and stuff. It's just, like I said, it really inspires other people of the things that you're working on. You know, when we see projects that are not photoshopped, I mean, they're real projects that are in your cards, and when you, especially when you got them hanging over the cart and things like that, we can see, you know, something that's not photoshopped, and we're like, wow, that's pretty. So anyway, let's go ahead and see what I have on mine. I do have a few things. Of course, you know me, I wouldn't be Pamela if I didn't, right? And I have finished a few things, and I will try to get on here tomorrow and show a few of the finished items. But today I just want to show you the WIP Caddy items that I have going. First, I'd like to start off with this basket. My sister Tanya had made a basket for our sister Barbara, and she said, well, the basket came out, she got to talking and watching TV, and she just kind of was just crocheting and not really paying attention, so the basket came out kind of wonky. So she turned around and made my other sister, our other sister Barbara, another basket. And I was like, well, I'll take it, I'll take that basket. And so here it is. And she has had so much fun laughing over this. It just kind of wants to slant that way, and I was like, I'll take it. I can use that as a project bag. I don't care if it's wonky. And plus, you know, I have memories now. Tanya and her wonky basket. Tanya, I know you're watching this. I love you, sis, and I love this basket. So thank you so much for this. She has just recently learned to crochet, and she is loving making these baskets. And she's real tight. I don't know if you can see that, but she's real tight with her baskets. I mean, see how well that stands up? When she makes a basket, they stand up straight. You don't have to worry about anything floppy with her, because she says that what she does is when she crochets, you know, single crochet, so she'll insert the hook, take the yarn, pull through, and when she does, she tightens it down before she goes to the next stitch. I just, you know, do a single crochet, do a single crochet, do a single crochet. She's like single crochet, pull, single crochet, pull. I mean, and that's what makes her baskets sturdy like this. She made one for my nephew. If I can remember, I'll insert that picture. She don't have a picture yet either. But when she does get a picture, I'll insert that in one of my videos and show you guys. Her baskets look professional, like they need to be sold in a store. And I am not exaggerating just because she's my sister. That's how well her stitching is on these baskets. She puts me to shame. So what I actually have in this basket is, I've been working on the Annie's kit, Perfect Topper. I'll put in a picture on either side, probably that side, of me wearing this. I did finish it, but I liked it so much, I'm making another one. And so I'm going to make it in this green color right here. Isn't it pretty? Now, I probably will make this one just a little bit longer. It does look good, but I really like mine just a little bit longer. So I'm going to make another one of these. And I'm using the Burnett Softy Cotton. It is Pool Green is the name of it. I tend to hang out with the blues and the greens. Let's see. It says Pool Green. It's a 3-light, 254 yards. So yeah, I'm going to make one of this in this color. I'm really excited. I have a shirt that I want to wear with that. You know me, I go and I buy cardigans. Well, I mean, I'm sorry. You know me, I go and I buy tank tops just to make cardigans, right? I mean, look, this is a tank top. I love buying tank tops because I love finding yarns to match to make cardigans. I am on a cardigan kick, guys. And I feel proud when I wear my own. Okay, so I'm going to hurry up because I'm already into 8 minutes. I am working on this. Hopefully I'll get to this weekend, so I've got that going. I did buy me a new book, a Laura Ingalls Wilder biography. I'm excited to get to read this. That's about how thick it is. I bought it on Amazon. I'll leave the little link to this in case you're interested in buying one, but I'm really excited to read this. She does have another one but it has it's an autobiography, and I'm going to get it next, but it's a little bit more expensive, so I thought I would just start off and read this first, and then if I feel like reading more of Laura, then I would, you know, maybe go ahead and get the autobiography. So, what do I have next? Oh yeah, I am still working on my gold cardigan. I just keep doing other stuff, guys. I just can't focus. But it's the one where, and I really need this gold. It's the gold one. I have a tutorial out on one like this already where I have 3 stitches and this one is just 2. So I'm thinking of going ahead and do a tutorial on it anyway. It's going to be a lot like the other one. It's just done with 2, and then instead of 1 on the end, it's done with 2 on the end. Anyway, so I thought, well, why not? You know, so I'm going to go ahead and get that out there too. I'm using a 6.0 millimeter crochet hook for that one. I am using Burnett Softy Cotton is what that is. And it's called Golden is the color. So once again, it's a Burnett Softy Cotton. I like it. What else do I have? Oh yeah, I did get this from Hobbii, and so I'm wanting to make a washcloth with that. So I'm looking forward to get started on this. I'm not sure exactly when I'll start. I forgot to show you guys the other day. I hope y'all saw my review. They gave me some yarn, and I got to do a little review and unboxing on it, and I was so excited, and I felt so honored to be able to do that. So, but here's some of the yarn. But look, I forgot to mention that in the video that there's a pull tab. Okay. Oh my gosh, I just realized I've been so excited to get out here. I left my coffee. I did make a cup of coffee. Oh man, and it's the one that Lori gave me that had the bicycle on it that said blessed. Thank you, Lori, for that. The thing I have is, I'm not sure if I'll get to that this weekend, but it's the Bag O' Day squares. I've got to put these together, guys, and I tell you what's keeping me from doing it is some of these aren't the same sizes, and it's just, I'm like, do I have time to do that really? You know, to crochet more rounds on it and lay this all out. So I've been working on projects that are a little bit faster, and but yeah, I mean, I've got this all done. I need to go ahead and get myself a blanket, right? The other thing is, I know you guys are probably tired of seeing this, but I'm throwing it out there. I am finishing this up with this one row that I got. I never got any, no one ever said they had another one for me, so I'm just going to go ahead and suck it up and just finish it with this, and then whatever size it comes, it comes. And who knows, I can probably take one of these colors and make some fringe, matching fringe around it that will help make it a little bit longer. So that's on mine. I am getting it done. That's all I have, so let's go ahead and do our 365 days of prayer. Oh yeah, today is me and my husband's 37th anniversary. May the 11th. We were married 37 years. He's still asleep, but you know me, I get up early. Okay, it says, you get me. We do not have a high priest who is unable to empathize with our weakness, but we have one who has been tempted in every way, just as we are, yet he did not sin. That's Hebrews 4:15. Son of God, you are the hope of my heart, knowing that you walk this earth and are acquainted with temptation, weakness, and suffering. I fully put my trust in you today. I don't have to pretend to be better than I am. I don't need to be fine. You know, Jesus, the struggles that are so common in this life. You faced them all, and yet you did not fall into the trap of sin. Lord, I am reminded today that weakness is not failure. It is a part of being human. When my strength is wanting, may I look to you. Your power is always available, ready to flow into those who are plugged into you. Lord, let me remember that I don't succeed alone. I'm not meant to pull myself up by the bootstraps to make it through. Jesus, you leaned into the Father when your strength was going, and I will do the same by your Spirit. It says, what does it mean to you that God is familiar with your suffering? It means a lot to me. Okay, I hope you guys have enjoyed that. I hope that that has blessed you, and I hope that you'll take that to heart. Okay, so that's all that I have for this video. I do have another unboxing to do, and I do have some finished items, so look forward to some more videos coming up, guys. That's all that I have, so just remember to live life, have fun, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.